Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply improve your graphics in Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. All right, so after you have successfully enabled developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you head over back to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Then I'll get into your phone settings, click on search right here. And this time around, make sure you type in developer. Then having typed in developer, next thing you need to do is to click on developer options. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for force. So continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. And make sure you look for force 4 times MSAA. Make sure you enable this button. It's that simple. So once you enable this particular button, the graphics system of your Android is going to improve and your gaming is going to work smoothly. Having enabled force 4 times MSSA, it improve the graphics performance of your Android phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.